Hey everyone, Costadin here, welcome back. In any profession, the right tools make all the difference. For programmers, our digital toolkit shapes our workflow and productivity. The right setup can mean spotting bugs in seconds, keeping projects clean and collaborating smoothly. It's not just about writing code, but writing it well, efficiently, collaboratively, and maintainably. The tools we choose directly impact our work quality and problem solving. Today, I'll walk you through my top 10 essential tools for programmers in 2025, covering basics and some game changers. Let's dive in. First up, your code editor. This is the heart of your development environment, the place where your ideas transform into reality. This is where you'll spend most of your time, so choose wisely. Your code editor will become your closest companion, so it's worth taking the time to find one that truly resonates with you. A great editor is more than a text box. It's your intelligent assistant, offering syntax highlighting, code completion, and keeping you in the flow. A good editor anticipates your needs, helping you write code faster and with fewer errors. My go-to is Visual Studio Code, free, open source, and packed with features. It's a robust and versatile tool that can handle almost any coding task you throw at it. Its extension ecosystem lets you customize for any language or workflow. You can find extensions for everything from linting and formatting to debugging and version control. Integrated terminal, top-notch debugging, and seamless Git support make it a powerhouse. It streamlines your development process and helps you collaborate effectively with others. But there are other great options. Sublime Text for speed, its lightweight design and powerful features make it a favorite among developers who value performance. JetBrains IDEs for deep integration. These IDEs offer a comprehensive set of tools and features specifically tailored for different programming languages and frameworks. Try a few editors, master their shortcuts, and pick the one that feels like an extension of your brain. The right editor should feel intuitive and natural, allowing you to focus on the code itself rather than the tool. Investing time in your editor pays off for your entire career. It's the single biggest productivity hack. Don't settle for the default. Optimize your digital workbench. The right editor keeps you focused on what matters. Writing clean, functional code. Extensions, themes, and customization can make your environment truly yours. Tailor it to your specific needs and preferences to create a workspace that inspires you. Remember, the best editor is the one that fits your workflow. Experiment, tweak, and refine until it feels just right. Don't be afraid to try new things and see what works best for you. Mastering your editor is mastering your craft. It's your most important tool. Treat it that way. Let's move on to the next essential. Next, version control, specifically Git. It's a cornerstone of modern software development, and understanding it is absolutely essential. Git is your project's time machine, allowing you to navigate through the history of your code base with ease. It meticulously tracks every change, big or small, and letting you experiment without fear of breaking things permanently. Made a mistake? No problem. Revert to a previous state in seconds, undoing any unwanted changes. Need to collaborate with others? Branch and merge with ease, keeping your work organized and conflict-free. Git enables parallel development, allowing multiple developers to work on different features simultaneously. This fosters organized teamwork, streamlined communication, and a professional workflow that scales. Tools like VS Code integrate Git seamlessly, providing a user-friendly interface for managing your repositories. And dedicated GUI clients like GitKraken or SourceTree make complex histories visual and easy to understand, even for large projects. Whether you're working solo on a personal project or collaborating on a large team, Git is non-negotiable. Learn the basics, the fundamental commands and concepts. Branching, creating isolated environments for new features. Committing, saving your changes with descriptive messages. Merging, integrating your work back into the main code base. It's the backbone of modern software development, ensuring code integrity and collaboration. Don't just use it, understand it deeply. Grasp the underlying principles and workflows. Version control is a fundamental skill for every developer, regardless of their experience level. It's not just a tool, it's a mindset. It's how professionals build software, ensuring quality and maintainability. If you're not using Git yet, start today. There are countless resources available to help you get started. Your future self and your team will thank you immensely. Tool number 3, the Package Manager. Don't reinvent the wheel. Tap into the world of open source libraries and frameworks. Package managers like NPM, JavaScript, and pip, Python, automate installing, updating, and managing dependencies. They ensure every developer and server uses the exact same versions, eliminating "it works on my machine" headaches. Manifest files like package.json or requirements.txt keep your project consistent and reproducible. Semantic versioning lets you control updates and stability. Without a package manager, you'd be lost in manual downloads and version chaos. It's foundational for modern modular software. Focus on building what's unique. Let the package manager handle the rest. Embrace it, master it, and streamline your workflow. It's a must-have for every project. Bugs are an inevitable part of the development process. They're those pesky little gremlins that creep into our code, often when we least expect them. But debugging, that's where the real work happens. It's the art of unraveling the mystery, tracing the steps, and ultimately squashing those bugs. A proper debugger lets you pause execution at specific points in your code. This allows you to examine the state of your application at that precise moment, inspect variables and see their values at any given point, understand how data is flowing through your program, and step through code line by line, carefully observing the execution path. No more guessing with print statements scattered throughout your code. See exactly what's happening in real time as your code executes. Modern editors like VS Code have powerful integrated debuggers right at your fingertips. Set breakpoints to pause execution where you suspect issues. Watch variables that are critical to your program's logic. And trace call stacks with ease, understanding the sequence of function calls that led to the current state. For web devs, browser tools like Chrome DevTools are indispensable for front-end debugging. Debuggers turn troubleshooting into a systematic process, not a guessing game of trial and error. Mastering your debugger saves time and frustration, allowing you to focus on building great software. It's a skill that separates juniors from seniors, showcasing a deeper understanding of code behavior. Don't just write code, learn to investigate it, to understand its inner workings. Spend an afternoon with your debugger exploring its features and capabilities. It'll pay off for years, making you a more efficient and effective developer. Debugging is detective work. Embrace the tools. They are your magnifying glass and fingerprint kit. Make debugging your superpower and become a true master of your craft. The terminal, your command line interface, is a programmer's power tool. It's fast, scriptable, and essential for countless tasks. Creating folders, running scripts, managing files, done in seconds with a few commands. Many tools, Git, NPM, pip, are built for the terminal. Learn basic commands and you'll fly through daily tasks. The real magic is automation chain commands, write scripts, and handle repetitive work effortlessly. Modern terminals like iTerm2 or Windows Terminal are customizable and feature-rich. Enhance your shell with plugins and themes for productivity. Don't fear the blinking cursor. Embrace it. The terminal is your direct line to your machine's core. Automate, customize, and master it. It's a skill every developer needs. Make the terminal your ally. Let's talk containers specifically, Docker. Docker solves the "it works on my machine" problem by packaging your app and its dependencies into a portable container. Define your environment in a Docker file, and anyone can run your app identically: dev, test, or production. Onboarding new devs, one command and their environment is ready. Deploying, ship the container, not just the code. Docker simplifies complex setups, enables microservices, and is key for modern DevOps. It's lightweight, fast, and eliminates environment bugs. Learning Docker is now essential for developers. Understand how your code runs in the real world. Containers are the future. Get on board. Most apps talk to other services via APIs. Testing them is crucial. Postman is the go-to tool for crafting and testing HTTP requests. Instantly send requests, inspect responses, and debug endpoints. No front end needed. Save requests as collections, share with your team, and keep API docs up to date. Write test scripts to automate checks and catch regressions. Postman bridges the gap between front-end, back-end, and QA. Alternatives like Insomnia or curl exist, but Postman's interface is hard to beat. Reliable APIs mean reliable apps. Master API testing. It's fundamental for modern development. Make Postman part of your toolkit. For real collaboration, you need a code hosting platform, GitHub or GitLab. These platforms are your project's central hub: store code, manage issues, and review work. Push and pull code, keep everyone on the same page, and avoid version chaos. Pull requests enable code review, catching bugs, and sharing knowledge before merging. Integrated project boards, issue trackers, and wiki streamline teamwork. Automation tools like GitHub Actions handle testing and deployment. These platforms unify code, conversations, and workflow. Whether open source or private, they're essential for modern teams. Don't just use Git. Use a platform that brings your team together. Collaboration is key to great software. Make your team's hub work for you. Documentation is vital, but often neglected. Documentation generators like JSDoc, JavaScript, or Sphinx, Python, automate the process. Write comments in your code and generate clean, up-to-date docs automatically. This keeps docs close to the code, making updates easy and onboarding smoother. Tools exist for every language. Find the one for your stack. Good docs lower the barrier for new team members and future you. Literate programming encourages better code and clearer thinking. Automated docs are always in sync with your codebase. Invest in documentation. It pays off long-term. Make your project professional and sustainable. Task automation is your silent productivity hero. Automate repetitive tasks, compiling, linting, testing, with tools like NPM scripts, Gulp, or Make. Define tasks in config files, run them with a single command, and avoid manual errors. Automation codifies your workflow, making it repeatable and reliable for the whole team. Custom scripts in Bash, Python, or Node.js can handle unique needs. The tool matters less than the principle. Automate what you repeat. Free your mind for creative work, not remembering command sequences. Consistency and speed are the rewards. Work smarter, not harder. Let automation handle the grunt work. That's my top 10 essential tools for programmers in 2025. Mastering these gives you a strong foundation for building better, faster, and more enjoyable software. But what about you? What tool can't you live without? Did I miss your favorite? Drop a comment below. I love discovering new tools from the community. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more tech breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep building, keep learning.